Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to prepare curry chicken foot with butter bean. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get notified when I upload my videos. The ingredients for this curry chicken foot and butter bean will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go there and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here are my ingredients that I'm using to make my curry chicken foot. I got 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I also got 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. I got some chopped ginger, some chopped scallion, also some chopped onion. I got my sliced bell peppers. I got my fresh thyme. I got some chopped garlic that I'm using. I got 1 tin of butter bean, and also my Scotched bonnet pepper. And here I got 1.5 pound of chicken foot that I'm using. Now I'm going to start off by cutting off all the toenails of my chicken foot. Yes, guys, so you want to go and just slice them off, these toenails off of your chicken foot. Just like that, guys. Guys, if you find that your chicken foot got a black spot in the middle here, you're just going to use your knife and slice it off. Most of the time when you buy it from the meat shop, it's there on it, so I'll just use a knife and slice it off, guys. After you slice off that black spot off of your chicken foot underneath it, and you're just gonna slice it in the middle, just like that, guys. So it's easier for your chicken foot to stew down and your seasoning also to get inside of it, to marinate properly, guys. Yes, guys, just like that. Just cut off all your chicken toenails off of your chicken foot, just like that, guys. You want to do it, then I just slice in the middle here to make sure your seasoning get down inside of it and marinate properly. I'll get back to you guys when I'm finished cutting off all of these toenails off of the chicken foot. Yes, guys. Now there you have it, guys. I'm finished cutting off all my toenails off of my chicken foot. Now I'm just going to wash my chicken foot with some vinegar, or if you don't have vinegar, guys, you can use your lime or lemon if you got that at home, and wash off all of that rawness off of your chicken foot. I'll get right back to you guys when I'm finished washing off my chicken foots. Now I'm finished washing off my chicken foots with my vinegar. Yes, guys, now I'm going to start to season my chicken foot with my powder seasoning. I'm going to start off with my all-purpose seasoning, my chicken seasoning, so my turmeric. Yes, guys. I'm going in with some of my curry powder because I'm going to leave back some to burn into my oil before I put in my chicken foot. Yes, guys, just want to leave back some. Going in with my scallion. Yes, guys. Also my onion. Garlic, also my ginger. Guys, I want to make sure you have your ginger in there. And I'm using my onion powder, about a teaspoon, just like that, guys. And also a bit of my teaspoon onion powder. Now, guys, also my bell peppers and my fresh thyme. Yes, guys. Now I'm going to start to rub up my seasoning on my chicken foot, on my powder seasoning and stuff like that, guys. You want to make sure you have a gloves when you're rubbing up your seasoning onto your chicken foot, because you don't want that curry and turmeric to mess up to stain up your fingernails, to get underneath here. Yes, guys, you want to make sure you have a gloves. If you don't got a gloves at home, you can also use a spoon. Yes, guys, just like that. Mix it around, mix around your seasoning, but I'm using my gloves to rub on my seasoning to my chicken foot. Yes, guys, just like that. Now I'll get back to you guys with my seasoning on my chicken foot, guys. Get right back to you. Now there you have it, guys. I'm finished rubbing on all my powder seasoning onto my chicken foot. Now I'm just going to leave this to marinate for about an hour before I start to cook it up. Yes guys, I'm going to leave my chicken foot to marinate, guys. That's why I even make those slits into the bottom of the feet to make sure my seasoning penetrating into the meat, guys. You're just going to use your thin film. Just cover the top. Yes guys. Just like that, guys. That's how you want to do it. I'll get right back to you guys and my chicken foots are finished marinating. Now guys, after that hour of marinating your chicken foot, it's time to cook them now. You want to go ahead and preheat your pot with 1/4 cup of oil inside of it for about 2 to 3 minutes, guys, on medium heat. Yes guys. Have it. Yes guys, 1/4 cup of oil. I'll get right back to you guys when my pot is preheated. Now after that 2 to 3 minutes of preheating your oil in your pot, now you just want to go ahead and put the rest of your curry that you will season up your chicken foot with. You want to pour it into your oil. You want to burn that curry in your oil, guys. Also with 1 clove of garlic. Yes guys, and make sure you fry up that garlic into your oil so that curry will not hurt your stomach when you finish cooking up all your chicken foot. Yes guys, I'll get right back to you when my garlic is finished frying up into my oil. Now as you can see, my garlic is finished frying out into my oil. Yes guys, just going to remove that. Now it's time to apply my chicken foot inside of my pot. Yes guys, you want to shake off your scallion or any thyme or any onion that's on your chicken foot and then apply them to your pot, guys. Just gonna fry them up. You want to do it, guys. Shake off the scallion and put them in. So, guys. Stir that around, guys, and then apply some more in. There you have it, guys. Just stir those around. Just gonna stir them around for about 2 minutes into your pot. Just like that. So you want to do, guys, just want to leave those for about 1 minute or 2 just to cook. I'll get right back to you guys. Now guys, checking back on my chicken foot. Now guys, I just want to go ahead and get some warm water add to your pot. Right, just like that. I'm just going to leave this to cook down for about 20 minutes, guys. Just like that, guys. I'm going to leave this to cook down now. Yes, guys. I'll get back to you when my chicken foot. Checking back on my chicken foot after that 20 minutes. Yes, guys. See how they look. They're smelling so nice, guys. I'm telling you. You can see, guys, they're soft, so you want to cook them for like 20 minutes, guys, to make sure they're soft. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of my season, my scallion and my onion. I'm just going to add some water into that where I will season up my chicken foot in. Some warm water. So just mix that around. Guys, now you're just going to add that to your pot. Guys, stir. Also I'll be adding some butter. So a tablespoon of butter. So we're going to leave that for about next 20 minutes before I check back on it again. Now I'm checking back on my pot. So checking back on those chicken foot, as you say. Now I'm just going to add my Scotch brown pepper in. I almost forgot about that, guys. I'm also going to add my butter bean in. I'm just going to go ahead and add 2 tin of butter bean. I'm just going to get that stir around that butter bean into your chicken foot. So as I'm telling you, this chicken foot is smelling so lovely. Yes guys, they're soft and tender. Yes guys, as you can see, my fork is easily going soft and nice, guys. That's how you want your chicken foot to be. You don't want no tough chicken foot when you're eating it. Also, I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of all-purpose to that, just to give it back some flavor. Yes guys. Just want to mix that around now. Now I'm just gonna leave this now to cook down for about 15 minutes before I turn it off. Yes guys. Now checking back on my pot after that 15 minutes. Yes guys. Smells so lovely. Wow, great on guys. So you want to prepare your curry chicken foot with that butter bean. This guy can taste my gravy. See what it's tasting like. Yes guys, that's it. I'm telling you, it's tasting lovely guys. So you want to prepare your curry chicken foot guys. Now it's ready to turn off. Yes guys, my gravy also thick enough, as you can see. That's perfect for me. Yes guys, that's how you want to prepare your curry chicken foot with your butter bean. Yes guys, let me turn this off. Now guys, I'm just gonna share this out with some boiled dumpling and banana, and also some sweet potato and Irish. Yes guys, and I will show you. There you have it guys. I've served out my curry chicken foot with my butter bean. Also to go along with it, it's my boiled banana, my boiled dumpling, and also my sweet potato and my Irish potato. Yes guys, that's how you want to prepare your lovely curry chicken foot with that butter bean. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit me up in that comment section. Tell me what you think about this curry chicken foot when you give it a try at home. Yes guys, until next time.